RAV4 of the previous generation, CA40, is very popular in Russia. Yes, he has enough advantages, but there are also features. Until August 2016, the fourth generation RAV4 CA40 was officially brought to Russia from Japan and later assembled in St. Petersburg. Restyling: in 2015, the suspension has been improved, the exterior has been refreshed, the sound insulation has been seriously improved. There were many complaints about it. The set of options has been expanded. Engines. Gasoline engines are very sensitive to fuel quality. Frequent flushing of the throttle body is inevitable, and contaminated oil replacement every 10,000 kilometers or more. The 2-liter 3ZR FE/FAE 146 horsepower has flattering reviews, but an unsuccessful timing chain drive with an unpredictable resource spoils its reputation. The 2.5 engine 2AR FE 180 horsepower is ranked among the best in the modern Toyota line and is considered to be eternal. The resource is estimated at 400,000 to 500,000 kilometers. The main thing is to watch the timing drive and change the oil. In Russia, cars with this engine were sold only in combination with an automatic and all-wheel drive. There are no special complaints about the 2.0 turbo diesel 2AR FTV 150 horsepower, only typical for all turbo diesels. Bonus: for the Russian market, the particulate filter was removed from the design. The motor runs over 300,000 kilometers. Transmission. Of all the transmissions, only the variator from the large K111-114 family is controversial. Weaknesses are common: the rapid wear of individual elements, plus the constructive intolerance of off-road modes. At the same time, for some reason, Toyota CVTs are considered the most advanced. In urban conditions, they work well. The resource is small, about 150,000 kilometers. 6-speed mechanics is good. No massive problems have been identified. On the secondary market, such cars are very rare and go quickly. The 6-speed automatic Aisin U660E/U760E is sometimes included in the ratings of the most indestructible, and sometimes reproached for a low resource. With quiet modes and good care, it lives up to 150,000 kilometers without breakdowns. All-wheel drive is implemented by means of an electromagnetic clutch, which cannot be often and for a long time strained in mud or snow. The silent blocks of the front levers, bushings and stabilizer struts, wheel bearings, brake pads and discs wear out quickly, 30,000 to 70,000 kilometers. In pre-styling cars, check the rear levers. If they have split silent blocks, they will immediately have to be changed. Frequent failures of the control electronics on all motors. The wiring to the lambda probes quickly turns sour. Intractable squeaks in various places. The driver's seat, the spiral contact, snail, of the steering wheel, plastic interior parts. Condensation may leak from the sun visor mounts. Dealers suggest installing an additional seal. In the slush, the electric tailgate is naughty.